Hello everyone, you're watching AtYQ, and in this video we'll learn how to install and use Docker Desktop CLI in Windows 10 Home Edition. So this is a workaround or makeshift method which has its portion covered up in a separate video. Please make sure that you watch that video before beginning the procedure. As you might know, Docker cannot be installed in Windows 10 Home Edition. So it can only be run in business ready editions of Windows 10, that is Pro, Enterprise or Pro Educational. So please don't worry, this isn't a clickbait and you will be able to run after following the steps. There are two methods to install this software. First one is using VMware, installing Windows 10 Pro and then using Docker in it, or changing your Windows 10 from Home Edition to Pro Edition. So please note that VMware and Docker may pose some issue as operating system does not allow VM to use complete resources. So installing directly to PC is currently the best option. Note this important information. Make sure that your operating system is 64-bit one and your Windows system supports HVT, that is hardware virtualization technology, and virtualization is enabled. You can check it in Task Manager. Now moving on to the instruction. From the link in the description, download Docker. Along with that, download Kitematic also. Kitematic is an app which controls your app containers from a GUI, that is graphical user interface, which is very helpful instead of typing codes. It does everything for you in a Docker. Now installing the application and filling the necessary information. It takes a bit to get installed. Wait for it to complete and then allow it to restart the system. You need to sign up with Docker to use their software. Now enter the login credential into the Docker menu. And with this, it completes the installation. That's it. I hope this solved your problem. If any query persists, please mention it in the comment section and I'll try to answer it soon. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.